Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 7th of April. Just before we begin, if you'd like to connect with us, you can do so with our social media channels currently up on screen. Now every Monday and Thursday at 9 p.m. we have our Capital Growth Live Trade Room. And what that does is we look for opportunities on daily timeframes. So we do a lot of analysis on daily timeframes and look at big picture moves, and we trade those during those sessions. But what it also does is we identify really strong, high probability opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. And we do explain those in a lot of detail during that session. We also have our signal service available. So if you want to be notified of some high probability trading opportunities during the day, then do contact us and let us know. We can get that set up for you. Also, this daily Trade Watch video, please do subscribe to our mailing list if you do want access to that. And every Thursday as well at 8 p.m. we have our trading mentorship webinar, just to fill in the gaps really in terms of your knowledge and understanding as you go. So for more information, do go to a website on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen there, www.thelivetraderoom.com for more information, and feel free to contact us through the website. Okay, so please see our risk warning currently up on screen. And let's get straight in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at today. Now, we've got an interesting situation now, potentially with the British pound. Let's start with the technicals. Firstly, we had a lot of strength come into the US dollar, and this market really driving lower. We've had a technical, a bit of profit taking kick in and around these lows, and we had a bit of a strong pullback, followed by some consolidation, which is what you would like to see. And now it's looking like we're getting the next leg to the downside. Now that coupled with the unfortunate situation where Boris Johnson is now in intensive care, and obviously the situation in the UK is not great anyway. It's likely to put a little bit more short-term downside pressure on the pound dollar. So we are looking to get into this market below the 122.04 level to the downside. So that's one market to look out for. We're just looking for more demand to be creeping into the US dollar. Now, the other trade is more of a coronavirus optimism trade, where we've had obviously a month's worth of significant selling. We've had a little bounce back, followed by, again, some consolidation. And now we're getting this structural failure to the upside trade above the 26.44. So what's that done yesterday is it's actually given us a high of the 26.81 level. And that's the level at which we're looking to get into this market to see some short-term volatility to the upside in the S&P 500. Now, we do think with the fundamentals and the sentiment that this market is likely to be put under pressure at some point in the near term. So we want to be quite nimble on this trade as it drives to the upside. So we'll see how we get on with this market as things unfold. So that just about concludes today's daily Trade Watch video. We've looked at a couple of opportunities there for you to really keep a close eye on. Do feel free to connect with us for our social media channels currently up on screen. And every Monday to Thursday at 9 p.m. we do have our Capital Growth Live Trade Room, so feel free to join us for that. Our signal service is available, daily Trade Watch video, and our trading mentorship webinar every week, 8 p.m. every Thursday. So again, for more information, do go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com. And thank you as always for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you all next time. For everyone here, bye for now.